Welcome to Asyncode. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will write Python function to count the number of set bits, ones, in a 32-bit integer. Define our function. This function count the number of set bits, 1s, in a 32-bit integer. Param n, a 32-bit integer. Return the count of set bits. Initialize a counter for the number of set bits. We need to consider only the last 32 bits of the integer. Using a mask to extract the bits. Check if the ith bit is set 1. Example usage. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asyncode and keep supporting us, and thank you for watching.